You are welcome to Ranking IT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +2335 5759 5824 or +2332 634 1393. Ranking IT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. A lot of people have been watching my videos, which helps them to do whatever they want to do, but they don't like, they don't subscribe. But anytime they need help, then they come into my DM and be begging for the software. Please, if you want me to go far or be doing more videos, please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Yes, so that that will impress me when I'm doing the videos. I can be doing more stuff for you people to learn from Ranking IT. So please like my channel and comment.
Welcome to Ranking IT Home. Today we are going to learn how we can easily use a UPT hard drive on MBR. Yeah, this machine is an MBR machine, and this one is GPT machine. So with this hard drive that you are seeing over here, it cannot work. This hard drive cannot work on this Toshiba laptop, as you can see, and this one too, this Toshiba cannot work on this HP machine because of this machine is GPT and this one is MBR. Yeah, so when you are trying to write a Windows on BTR machine and they tell you to format your hard drive to lose all your files or your documents, this is going to help you to keep them. And I also have Windows on this one, this hard drive. I have Windows on it. So as you can see, I'm having a certain software and the key on the screen, which is these two that you're seeing over here. Yeah, these two that you're seeing over here. We are going to use that to unlock this hard drive so that it will what is it, GPT will work on this machine, because I removed this hard drive from this machine and I have this hard drive there for backup. Yes, so with this hard drive, this machine, I don't have hard drive inside. As you can see, I don't have hard drive inside. The cable is somewhere here. I don't have hard drive inside. So let's start. So I'm trying to insert this hard drive in this Toshiba machine so that we understand what we are coming to do. Yeah, so let's go. Yes, I'm doing this alone. Okay, it's in now, so let's wait. Okay, so as you can see, the drive is blinking. Let's try to refresh this. Okay, so the brightness for my viewers. Okay, so let's go. Next, install. accept list. Okay, so as you can see, here is the hard drive. Yeah, here is the hard drive, and I have a lot of documents and softwares on this hard drive, and I don't want to lose them. If I want to lose them, unless I format this hard drive. So let's open this thing over here. I just want to capture it very well for you guys. Okay, so Windows cannot be installed on this, on drive 0 partition 4. Yes, so let's open it and read what will come. As you can see, here is it. As you can see, sorry, it's saying Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. So as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So if you want to lose everything, you just format this, delete, and you delete this and that, and it will be 1. So after when you delete or clear everything from this hard drive, you can now run the MBR. But with me, I don't want to lose anything from this file. I have Windows on it. Let's browse it and see. As you can see, display is browse, reload and browse. Yeah, so here is the drive. I have a lot of tabs on it, these tabs, and I don't want to lose them. So this is the Windows. As you can see, this is the Windows that I used on this machine. So I don't want to lose anything from this angle. So let's go back. Close this one, and then I'm going to remove the hard drive that I inserted. I'm going to remove it. Yeah, so let's go. Here is it. Here's the hard drive. Yeah, I have removed it. Here is it. As you can see, the Toshiba. So here is the hard drive. So now I'm going to insert it into this. Yeah, it's an external case head. This one. Yeah, what you can see here is an external case head, and I have connected it. That's it. So I'm going to put the hard drive here. I'm doing this shit. So okay, we'll bring it back to that. Okay, so here is it. Here's the hard drive. I'm going to connect it. Connected it now. As you can see, it's reading. Yeah, it's reading. Yeah, the hard drive is here. So let me open this start and disk management. We are talking of the basics. As you can see, we are talking of the basics. Yeah. Yeah. So now we can use only the machine. Yeah, so here is the basic, but you are not going to see it. Here's my hard drive. Yeah, this one. This is my hard drive, and this one is the one that is in the machine. This one is the one I inserted. So let's open this software. Install. I'll leave a link that you can download it, or you can follow me on my Telegram and hit me for the software. Yeah. Okay, install. Let's wait. It doesn't need any internet, it's just the software. So that's the name of the software, AOMEI Partition Assistant. Yeah, that is it. Okay, join now. Close. Here is the key. Here's the key, so let's wait for it to open. Okay. Close. So we are going to convert it over here. Hope you can see this one is GPT. This one too is GPT. The basic is GPT right here. The DEX1 basic GPT. So this GPT is for the machine that is in it. As you can see, this is for the machine that you are going to work on. So with this one, we are going to change this GPT to MBR. This one, we are going to convert it from GPT to MBR. So here is it. Convert MBR to GPT. Yeah, so you just click on it. Okay. Let's wait. So after you click on it, you see that they will say apply. Apply over here. Yeah, as you can see, apply. You just click on the apply. Okay, this will take at least 30 seconds to finish. As you can see, it's here. 30 seconds to finish, but they will ask of the key, so don't worry. Okay. Okay, so now it's done. As you can see, congratulations, all operations have been completed successfully. So you just click on OK. So now, as you can see, registration successful. Okay. Alright, so now as you can see, this one is GPT, and this one is what? MBR. You can change it from that GPT to the same MBR. Just apply. Just okay. Yes. So as you can see, here's it. Here's the hard drive over here. You will see that the light will blink. Yeah, when I try to change it. Yeah, this is the one that we are changing. This one. This one. So just change it. And you apply. So as you can see, it's blinking. The light is blinking. Yeah, so you just proceed. Yes. So okay, so successful Newton. Okay, so we are done. So we are done with this machine. We are not going to use it again. Yeah, because what we want to do, we have done it. So I'm going to take off this hard disk, then insert it into this Toshiba, and it will work because I have Windows 10 on it. Yeah, Windows 10 on that hard drive. Yeah, Windows. Yeah, as you can see, I have Windows on it. Here is it. Here's the Windows, so it will work. Yeah, so I'm not going to lose anything. Just take it off. As you can see, I'm taking it off. Right, here is it. Let's go to this machine. Insect. Yes. I want you to see whatever I'm doing. Here's the hard drive. Insert. Okay. I'm done. So after we turn off the machine, I'm done with this machine. So as I was saying, my Windows 10 pen drive is worrying me, so I just take it off, and I'm using the Windows 7 to do it. So I already have Windows 10 on it, so now we can format it without we losing any of our files. We just hit on this one. Just a minute, okay? So as you can see, it's working. Hit on professional. Then this one is next. Agree. Accept this. So this unknown is my hard drive. By first, when I click on it, it will tell me to format it. So let's check it. Reload. So here's the Windows 10. Here's it. So we'll delete this one. The first one. This. Yeah. Yes, it's here. Then off. Okay, so now we can write our Windows. Yeah, so that's how it works. So you are not going to lose any of your files. Yeah, I hope you can see it's working. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe.